Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joe. So I'm here at Market. I came here to watch Kim Chiu and Paolo Abilino. There are so many people here. I'm gonna show you. I'm trying to find a spot, but there are so many people here. I'm having a hard time finding a good spot.
Rich Rice Krispies and creamy chocolate.
Welcome po sa ating napakasayang family day at sa ating view. Okay, ayan, nakasasap na dito. Ang ating game ay tinatawag na Be the Best Together. So, ibig sabihin, yung plan, pwede. So, parang ayun! Okay. Okay to, okay pa kayo? Okay, don't worry, medyo pa-intend sa mga sa yung ating program. Okay. Season ito, bukod sa series, also part of the soundtrack. Meron lang parang soundtrack ng OSC ng West Rocket Secretary PG1!
Jello! Jello!
Let's go! PG1!
Thank you.
hello lang tayo. Kaya ka nakapanibago, kaya congratulations! Ano ba namin, PG Maro? Thank you, boys! Thank you, Okay. Ayan. Okay, this time, ito isa pa ang singer. Nung kilala ko siya, pero medyo umaarte-arte na rin. Kaya I'm so happy that she is spreading her wings from singing to acting. Please welcome another kapamilya talaga we all love, Miss Angela Gale!
Hi, Market Market.
Thank you, Angela Gale! Angela, joining me here naman. Ikot naman na doon. Hintayin natin makakit si Angela back here on stage. Grabe! Pero pakilala again, Angela Gale! Please join me here, Angela. Hindi ko na sinabi. Ano ba medyo... Yes, pero wala change. Ang being part of the Santa Cruz natin again, Angela Gale! Thank you! Okay, you will do it. O, di ba nagpili yung bigla? Kasi alam niyo na, for me, yung nagtatawaran ko, siya ang pinakabago paboritong opa ng mga. Kumakain siya ng sasalang contest sa What's Wrong with Secretary. Please, put your hands together for Kim Won-shi! Hello guys! Lumipad lang si Kim Won-shi, bumiyaya lang siya. Nabati ka na kanina ba? Si BMC. Grabe. Wala ba? Ilalabas lang natin si BMC. Kilala niyo ba siya? Kilala niyo ba? Meron tayo na boss mo cute. Meron tayo dati na cute. Please welcome to Serenade us, Brenda! Kai, thank you so much.
Thank you po sa inyo.
Ayan, sila na congratulations again. Hi, thank you so much for joining. Thank you kay Franco, kay Jay, Matia, Arisa Ate, and to all our viewers and ating congratulations and thank you so much. Market, this is it. Ito na. Magpulbos na yung kailangan magpulbos. Mag-ayusin ang buhok. Handa na ba kayo? Na makita si BMC! Hindi ako makontento eh. Ready na ba ako? Nagparga na marinig si BMC! Please welcome ang pinakamahusay na aktor na nakikinig ko ng lahat ngayon, Paolo Abilino! Promise. Medyo na-excite lahat eh. Na-excite lahat yung labas ng ating secretary. Pati yung audio namin nataranta eh. Nataranta sa kilig. Okay, eto na lang, promise. Ang mahal natin lahat ng secretary Kim, please welcome Kim Chu!
Thank you.
bulong yung ating release. Pabubulakan. Okay, pili tayo ng mga fans na gusto sumali. Okay, let's go! Alright, what's your name? Angie, let's go. So Kim, wala na po yung pasanin ni Kim. I-lip read mo na ha, i-lip read mo. Ready? Go! Very good! Next naman, dito, saan ito? What's your name? Maya, si Paolo na mawala mo. Okay, ready? Go!
Hello, hello.
Hello, Dave! It's correct. Dito na, sino? What's your name?
Captivates the hearts of the viewers as View combines the two best actors, or I can say great actors of the Philippine industry, and that is Kim and Paolo. They really give the viewers the experience of Christian rom-com, romantic comedy. So all the cast contributes their best to make this one with Secretary Kim so endearing and realistic. So each episode actually it's created with touch of Filipino culture, and there's no dull moment that ever completes a viewing time. So I really enjoyed the show.
It can have phenomenon and magical is
Alright, and then let's call it the rest of the cast. Jake, Crapo, Nothing, Kai, Jillian, Ives, okay, isang grupo to Pwede nyo, please rewatch. Okay? Okay, pag-as daw ito lang ka ng mga fans sa nilay ng view. There you go! Thank you, Jake. Pasalamat tayo, Jake, please. Jake.
The show is over. I got so exhausted, but I had so much fun. Nice meeting you, Kim Chu and Paolo Abelino. So guys, I got so exhausted and hungry. So I'm having my dinner at Tokyo. This is my dinner. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.